Hey there, it's Daniel from Pipl System Store, and we're all about bringing safety to every house. And today we have nearly top equipment. Here you can see the 5000 series recorder, the Dahua NVR5232-4KS2. The 5000 series of Dahua recorders, or as it's called, the Pro series nowadays, well, it's practically the golden mean. Well, building a video surveillance system of a medium and a large type. And by the way, you can check out any type of the security devices on our Pipl Systems website. So now we're into the unboxing, and as you can see, the recorder itself, the plastic, the metal, black, awesome, and the starter kit. On the hand side, this is the power adapter block. There you go. Is the network connection to the power adapter, the LAM cable, this is the communication to mount here a hard drive, and the two additionals to mount some extra hard drives. As you know, it can be two out here. The mouse, I'll unbox it for you. Yeah, box here. The fastener kit and the connection for the alarm, the firmware CD, and user's manual. Everything as simple as possible. So the recorder's black case is made out of plastic and metal. And let's go check out the back panel here. On the back of it, everything's simple. The RG45 port for network connection, 2 volts power supply jack, 1 audio input and 1 output. Well, in case you have cameras with a microphone and a speaker both, so you can arrange some two-way audio communication by connecting the microphone and the speaker to the recorder. The HDMI and VGA to get your monitor, 1 USB port to connect the mouse or a flash drive, and a 4 alarm inputs and 2 outputs for working with external sensors, relays, and alarms. Down to the functions and the feature side. The Dahua NVR5232 supports scans with resolution up to 12 megapixels inclusive. Incoming and outgoing streams with a summary channels width of 320 megabytes each. Well, the excellent indicator if you work with the high-resolution cameras and have a multi-user access on your enterprise. The recorder supports a 265 plus codec as the current top solution to save hard disk space and reduce a network load. Also, it supports such features as a heat map, the people counting, the face recognition, and well, consequently, it can work with specialized cameras for these purposes. It also works with the fisheye cameras, the implementation of the dewarping function, so we're able to divide the image into parts and record them independently, which is awesome here, just applause. It also supports the point of sale function, so we can connect the POS terminal and then combine it with the camera that can be installed above the cash register. And therefore information about the check will be displayed. Well, that's truly an advantage for the modern trading. It can manage 2 stated drives up to 10 terabytes, which is 20 terabytes in total. That's not much if the video comes in 4K, but as the rule, that's always enough. And the awesome thing is that the archive from the camera's memory card will be restored in case there was a break in communication between the cameras and the recorder. Also, note that the recorder capabilities may change and improve with the software updates, so just don't forget to update in time. As a result, for a relatively mid-price, you are able to assemble a simple but still functional at the same time video surveillance system. Awesome. As always, on my side, I can guarantee the quality and the safety that Pipl Systems brings to you with our products. So when you're ready to get this beauty for yourself and you've picked us for that purpose, just tell our manager you're from Daniel or you're the Pipl subscriber and you'll get your special offer. Thank you for watching. Always in God your protection with Pipl Systems.